Introducing Vega Bond Purplecoat, the revolutionary spray foam insulation that changes the game. It comes with an ergonomically designed spray gun package and hose, ensuring seamless application. You don't need to use this hose for every application, but it will be very helpful for spraying ceilings, crawl spaces, rim joists, and narrow spaces. And remember, this free hose is only available with the purchase of any foam combination that includes a gun. Here's how to get started. First, connect the hose to the tip of your spray gun. Secure the hose with the provided zip tie. Attach either the red or orange nozzle to the tip of the splicer. Attach the canister to the spray gun and shake it well before spraying. Point the applicator gun horizontally and press the trigger to easily reach tight spaces and crawl areas. Vega Bond Purplecoat provides a continuous, airtight seal on various surfaces, including roofs, facades, attics, ceilings, foundations, and more. Choose Vega Bond Purplecoat for an innovative, efficient, and professional-grade insulation solution.